Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. If you could please respond to 280 Dinsley Street. We have a caller advising their fire alarms have been going off for the last 5 minutes. There are no symptoms on scene, no smoke or flames visible. All occupants are evacuating. Again, the address is 280 Dinsley Street. For a smoke alarm, no symptoms. Time of first page for Blythe Fire is 06:14:53. Attention North Huron Fire Blythe Station. If you could please respond to 280 Dinsley Street. We have a caller advising their fire alarms have been going off for the last 5 minutes. There are no symptoms on scene, no smoke or flames visible. All occupants have evacuated. Again, the address is 280 Dinsley Street with cross streets of Coombs Street and Morris Street. Time of second page for Blythe Station is 06:16:07.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Car 2 acknowledges page from Blythe Station. Blythe Station responding shortly.
That's Roger. I do copy car 2. You're acknowledging the page and Blythe Station is responding shortly. It's 06:16:35.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
That's Roger. Car 3, you're responding. It's 06:19:01.
Dispatch, can you give me those crossroads again, please?
That's Roger. Cross streets of Coombs Street and Morris Street.
Thank you. Fire dispatch, you can mark car 3 on scene.
That's Roger. Car 3, you're on scene. It's 06:20:24.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
You can show engine 6 responding to 280 Dinsley Street for a fire alarm 4 belted.
That's Roger.
Engine 6, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, engine 6. Engine 6, you're good with a code 1 response. Roger that. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 there, I haven't seen it.
That's Roger. Engine 6, you're on scene. It's 06:23:36.
Yeah. Dispatch, you can mark car 3 command and mobile. You can also mark that I've been in communication with the homeowner. The homeowner is outside the structure. All fine.
That's Roger. I do copy car 3. You're in command and mobile. You're in communication with the homeowner outside, and all is okay. It's 06:24:08.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark send in a team of 2 to do an air quality check.
That's Roger. You're sending 2 firefighters in to search the building. 6:28:13.
Go ahead, entry 1 for command. Confirm that entry 1, 0 readings on the basement. Proceed to the main floor. Go ahead, entry 1 for command. Confirm that entry 1. Entry 1, when you're on the 2nd floor, there's a bedroom on the east side of the structure, the delta side of the structure, that has one inside the bedroom there was a red light on it. Just check when you're up there, check that, see if that's the detector is faulty. Entry 1 command. Can you give me me an update on the second story? Entry 1, I want you to take another trip back down to the basement. The furnace just turned on here about 3 minutes ago. I just want you to do a resweep of the furnace or the basement with the furnace on. Dispatch, command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, you can mark we had 0 readings. Full sweep of the structure was completed. We did find one faulty alarm. Faulty alarm is being disconnected at this point. There's multiple alarms that are working in the structure.
That's Roger, I copy. Command, you found 0 readings in the structure. You found one faulty alarm. It is being disconnected. Other alarms are working in the structure. It's 064313.
Clear, dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, you can show we're terminating the call, leaving the scene with the homeowner. The faulty alarm has been removed. There is adequate alarms in the structure. Engine 6 is returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, command. I copy. You're terminating command. You're leaving the scene with the homeowner. Faulty alarm has been removed. And engine 6, you're returning to Hall. It's 0653.
Clear, dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can put Blyth Station back in service, and when you have a moment, download that call, please. Thank you.
That's Roger, copying Blyth Station back in service. It's 065535. Thanks very much, guys. Have a good day.